Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video in our series analyzing top PMS in India. In today's video, we'll be exploring the InCred Healthcare Portfolio. InCred's Healthcare PMS follows a multi-cap healthcare-focused strategy, investing across pharmaceuticals, hospitals, diagnostics, and insurance, all key growth pillars within India's healthcare ecosystem. The strategy is benchmark agnostic, built on a bottom-up stock-picking approach, maintaining a concentrated portfolio of 15 to 20 high-conviction stocks designed to generate superior alpha over time. You can check out our previous videos by clicking the info button, where we've covered PMS schemes from Abacus Asset Manager, Stallion Asset, 361, ValueQuest, and many more. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, including the fund's basic details, investment strategy, portfolio composition by market cap, holdings and sectors, insights about the fund manager, investment details including fees and lock-in periods, returns generated, and tax implications on your earnings from the InCred Healthcare Portfolio. But before we begin, here is a quick word about us. We are PA Wealth, a full-spectrum investment firm offering expert guidance in PMS, mutual funds, AIFs, bonds, insurance, IPOs, startup investments, and Dubai real estate. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the latest market insights and wealth-building opportunities. Let's start with the basic details. The InCred Healthcare Portfolio was launched on the 15th of February 2021 and currently manages assets worth around Rs 411 crores. Its core objective is to invest in equities and related instruments within India's healthcare ecosystem, aiming to capture long-term growth opportunities. Now let's move on to the investment strategy. The fund invests in India's healthcare sector, leveraging the country's reputation as the pharmacy of the world. It covers both domestic and global healthcare opportunities, uses a proprietary investment model blending qualitative and quantitative analysis, and focuses on buying great businesses at fair valuations while avoiding weak ones. Through its data-driven approach, the fund seeks to maintain a balanced risk-return profile and consistent performance. Let's look at the portfolio mix by market cap size. The portfolio currently comprises 3% large cap, 2% mid cap, and a strong 84% small cap exposure, with the remaining 11% in others, reflecting its high conviction approach in smaller high growth healthcare names. Now let's delve into the top 10 holdings of the fund. Some of the key holdings in the InCred Healthcare Portfolio include Healthcare Global Enterprises at 17.7%, Kshna Diagnostics at 10.9%, Thyrocare Technologies at 10.6%, Jubilant Pharmova at 10.5%, and RPG Life Sciences at 7.2%. The portfolio also includes FDC Limited, Aster DM Healthcare, Metropolis Healthcare, Vimta Laboratories, and Artemis Medicare Services, along with 10.3% held in cash and cash equivalents. Let's now look at the top sector exposures. The sectoral exposure is diversified across key healthcare segments, with hospitals forming 26.3% of the portfolio, diagnostics at 25.4%, branded generics at 21.4%, and others making up 3.8%. Now let's look at the fund manager of the scheme. The fund is managed by Mr. Aditya Khemka, who has over 16 years of experience in equity investments across the US, EU, Latin America, and India. He has previously served as treasurer at Glenmark, analyst at Lehman Brothers, Nomura, and Ambit Capital, and healthcare fund manager at DSP, where he delivered around 40% alpha over the benchmark with low churn and a high Sharpe ratio. His investment approach focuses on sustainable cash flows and long-term value creation. Now let's take a look at the investment details of the fund. The minimum investment for this PMS is 50 lakh rupees. The exit load is 2% if redeemed within 1 year and 1% if redeemed within 2 years. It follows a fixed fee structure of 2.5%. Now let's look at the returns generated by the fund. Over the last 6 months, the InCred Healthcare Portfolio has delivered an impressive 16.4% return, while its benchmark, BSE 500 TRI, returned 7.2%. In the past 1 year, the fund generated 17.8% compared to the benchmark's minus 5.5%. Over 2 years, the fund returned 30.2%, whereas the benchmark achieved 15.5%. And in 3 years, the fund delivered 30.3%. Significantly outperforming the benchmark's 16.1%. Now let's take a look at the taxability of earnings from this PMS. In terms of taxation, short-term capital gains, that is, profits booked within 1 year, are taxed at 20%. Long-term capital gains on investments held for over 1 year are taxed at 12.5%, with an exemption of up to 1.25 lakh rupees per financial year. For dividend income, taxation is based on the investor's income slab, and a 10% TDS is applicable if total dividends exceed 5,000 rupees in a financial year or 10,000 rupees after the 1st of April 2025. That's all for today's video on the InCred Healthcare Portfolio. If you found this analysis insightful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest PMS reviews and investment insights. Have a PMS scheme you'd like us to cover next? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.